Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Today we're going to talk about one of the most interesting and valuable coins in the imagine owning a simple 10 yen coin, worth just 10 yen, or so you think. But what if I told you that one rare version of this coin could fetch up to $2.5 million? Yes, you heard that right. A coin you might have overlooked could turn you into a millionaire. Stick around because I'll reveal the mystery behind this coin, its history, and how you can check if you own one of these hidden treasures. The 10 yen coin has been in circulation in Japan since the 1950s. It's a common piece of currency, used every day by millions of people. But one specific version of this coin, minted in a particular year and under unique circumstances, is now worth a jaw-dropping $2.5 million at auctions. Imagine holding a piece of history that collectors are willing to pay millions for. Let's dive into the incredible backstory behind this coin. Not every 10 yen coin is worth millions, of course. The key lies in rarity and error. Here are 3 factors that make this particular 10 yen coin so valuable that it taught us all about the date. Coins minted during certain years, like 1951 or other rare periods, were produced in extremely limited quantities. Some coins have minting errors like misaligned text, double strikes, or missing details. These errors make them one of a kind. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition fetch the highest prices. Even the smallest scratch can lower its value significantly. Stay with me because next, I'll show you how to spot these rare coins in your collection. Footage of auctions, highlights of a bidding war, shots of the $2.5 million coin. Let me take you back to one of the most thrilling moments in coin history, the auction where this 10 yen coin made headlines. In 2022, at a prestigious coin auction in Tokyo, collectors from around the world gathered to bid on this legendary piece. The coin, which was in immaculate condition and featured a rare minting error, started at $1 million. Within minutes, the bidding soared past $2 million. Finally, a private collector secured the coin for a staggering $2.5 million. Can you imagine the excitement in that room? This was more than a purchase. It was owning a piece of history. Side-by-side comparisons of common versus rare coins. Zooming in on key details. So, how can you tell if your 10 yen coin is the $1 million one? Here's a quick guide. Look closely at the year printed on your coin. Rare dates include 1951, show a year 26, and a few others. Use a magnifying glass to look for anything unusual, like doubled text or misaligned designs. Condition is key. If your coin is uncirculated and has no scratches, it's more likely to attract high bids. And here's a pro tip. Always handle coins carefully. Wear gloves and store them in protective cases to maintain their value. A collector organizing coins, using tools like magnifiers and grading scales. Maybe you don't have the $1 million coin, but that doesn't mean you can't start your own exciting coin collection. Here are some tips for beginners. Look for coins with unique designs or historical significance. Use online tools, forums, and catalogs to learn about rare coins. Grading matters. Learn how coins are graded from good to mint state. Coin collecting isn't just a hobby. It's a journey into history, art, and even wealth. Who knows? Your next find could be a hidden treasure. Inspiring shots of people discovering valuable coins. Text on screen with action prompts. Owning a rare coin like the $2.5 million 10 yen piece might seem like a dream, but the world of coins is full of surprises. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, there's always a chance to find something extraordinary. Thank you for watching today's video, and it's an interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. CoinZF.